Hi, my name is Nikhil Parekh, and I want to welcome you to this training program on how to use Python for ethical hacking. I encourage you to take lots of notes, so grab a notebook or a journal so you can keep all your notes in one central spot. I will share a little bit about me shortly, but more importantly, I want to let you know what you will get in this course and why I am ideally suited to teach you how to use Python for ethical hacking. I've been involved in the risk management, disaster recovery, ethical hacking, cybersecurity field since 1995. I was involved in risk management way before year 2000, before the dot-com crash, and have seen how to implement risk management practices and disaster recovery and business continuity controls in businesses since way back in 1995. I've been involved in hacking and penetration testing for organizations where we've been able to use infiltration techniques to show weaknesses in banking systems, and even used persuasion and psychological training tactics to infiltrate organizations by relying on people letting us into the corporation without any IDs whatsoever. We always had a get out of jail free card right from the top of management, because in case we were caught by authorities, we had approval from management to be performing these types of activities. So what will you get in this particular program? In this program, I'm going to show you the basics of Python. I'm going to show you how to install Python on a Kali Linux machine. I'll even show you how to use some software called PyCharm and its basic functionality. You'll even learn how to use Nmap in PyCharm and how to import the modules accordingly. You will also learn how to use indentation in Python and some basic commands in Python. You'll learn about conditional statements, about lists, arrays, and dictionaries. You'll learn how to manipulate strings. You'll be able to open files and manipulate those files. You'll learn how to use functions in Python. You'll even learn how to build your very own Nmap scanner using Python that you will then be able to use for ethical hacking purposes. Who is this course for? This course is for anyone wanting to get involved in ethical hacking and learn how to use Python to perform these ethical hacking tactics. Now I will share a little bit about me, and then we'll get started with the program. If you haven't connected with me on LinkedIn as of yet, I strongly advise that you connect with me. If you look through my profile, you will note that I have worked with some amazing people. I've worked with high-profile celebrities featured on the Miss USA, the Miss Universe pageant, The Apprentice, the hit TV show with Donald Trump. I've worked with stars who have been on the ABC network or in the Wall Street Journal, the NBC, the CBS network, even the Fox network. Now, I don't say this to brag, but I say this because none of these deals would have happened if I had not negotiated my way to make these things happen. Now, I've worked with multimillionaires. I've worked with billionaire clients. Now, that doesn't happen by accident. There's certain steps that have to be taken that become the foundation of negotiation. And I will be sharing these secrets with you in this particular program. Here's just one example of an endorsement from a client who I actually helped achieve some of his goals. So if you read this endorsement, he says, Nikhil is a seriously inspiring individual that understands the power of thinking big. When I was much younger, he was a mentor to me and really helped me realize the power of thinking big. That was when I was 15. I started a company called Appster with Mark McDonald when I was 19. 2 years later, we have 110 staff globally and revenue in the multiple 7 figures. Now, if I was able to help someone achieve a goal of getting to build a massive company worth millions of dollars,